A massive U.S. assault ship carrying thousands of troops is at the center of escalating conflict with Iran. What's happening now could change the Middle East war dramatically. The USS Tripoli, an America-class amphibious assault ship, serves as the flagship for the Tripoli Amphibious Ready Group and the 31st Marine Expeditionary Unit. This force includes about 3,500 sailors and Marines, making it a significant military presence in the region amid rising tensions. Another Marine Expeditionary Unit of roughly 2,200 Marines, supported by 3 warships, is also en route to the area, signaling U.S. military buildup. Since the outbreak of war, Iran has launched multiple attacks targeting U.S. bases throughout the Middle East. These strikes use a vast arsenal of ballistic missiles and drones, aiming to disrupt American military operations and retaliate for U.S. bombings. This ongoing missile campaign increases the risk to nearby forces, including the Marines aboard the USS Tripoli. According to U.S. officials, dozens of airstrikes have been launched against Iranian targets. These missions are flown from bases around the Middle East and from one or more aircraft carriers positioned in the region. This marks a significant escalation in U.S. military action, aimed at weakening Iran's offensive capabilities and protecting American forces. Adding complexity to the conflict, Yemen's Iran-aligned Houthi rebels launched missile attacks against Israel, marking their first such offensive since the war began. These strikes risk broadening the war beyond the current front lines and could prolong the conflict significantly. The Houthis have warned they will continue their operations until what they call aggression ends on all fronts. With the USS Tripoli already deployed, a second Marine Expeditionary Unit of about 2,200 Marines along with 3 warships is still en route to the area. This buildup signals preparation for potential ground operations or increased maritime security. The presence of these forces reflects the U.S. commitment to maintain a strong military posture amid ongoing Iranian missile attacks and regional instability. The presence of thousands of Marines aboard assault ships like the USS Tripoli and continued missile exchanges highlight how fragile the situation is in the Middle East right now. For you, this means global tensions could quickly affect oil prices, travel safety, and military drafts. Stay informed and subscribe to Daily Q&A for the latest updates on this rapidly evolving conflict.